2 plus 4 is 6. 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. And we get 24 divided by 24 is 1. But this answer, of course, is not correct. Why is not correct? Because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, we must do first what's inside the parentheses. Then we do exponents in the second place. If we had it here, we don't have any exponents. Therefore, we don't do it. Multiplication and division, we do it in the third place, and we must do it from left to right. And the last is addition and subtraction. We do it in the fourth place. In our case, what we have here parentheses, therefore we'll do this in the fourth place. We don't have exponents, but then we have division and here multiplication. Therefore, we'll do it from left to right. First this division and then this multiplication. So we don't do this multiplication ahead of the division because this is not correct. So what we get? So we do first parentheses, so 2 plus 4 equals to 6, and we have 24 divided by 4 and multiplied by 6. So what we have here, we know now that multiplication and division, they must be done from left to right. So we do first this division and later we'll do this multiplication. 24 divided by 4 is 6, so we get 6 multiplied by 6, which equals to 30. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao!